Hey everyone, I'm Alex Orchies from Aeon Prestige Media, and today I wanted to give you some tips on running your own business. So the first tip I'm going to give you is to practice self-discipline. I'll start this off with a quote from Brian Tracy. Self-discipline is the ability to make yourself do what you should do when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Having no one to report to can be hard because you're technically free to do whatever you want at any time. But by practicing self-discipline, you'll be able to reach your goals and stay on track with the growth of your business in whatever industry it is that you're in. A few ways that Brian Tracy says to practice self-discipline are to set clear goals, writing down your goals, setting deadlines for those goals, and taking action every day towards those items on your to-do list. If you work toward your goals every single day, you'll reach them in no time. The second tip I have for you is to not overthink. I'm guilty of overthinking a whole lot when it comes to sending emails, reaching out to clients, and even when editing videos and photos. If you don't overthink, you'll end up saving a lot of time. Time is the most important asset we have when it comes to entrepreneurship. Cutting out overthinking from your daily life will bring you much more time to actually be productive and get your work done. The third tip is to set a schedule. Most people are more productive when they set a schedule and know exactly what it is they're going to be doing at what time and on what day. The fourth tip is regarding your workspace. Remove all clutter from your work area to make sure you're working with a clear desk. Also, if you can add meditation to your schedule, you can remove all the clutter from your mind as well. This will allow you to tackle all of your goals without thinking of anything else. The fifth tip is for those of you who work from home. Working from home as an entrepreneur can be distracting and unproductive at times. If you see that you're in a slump or are being distracted by other things around the house, try to head to a coffee shop to work from there for a few hours. If that doesn't work for you, you can always try a co-working space to see if you can escape working from home altogether. Check out one of my recent videos on how to effectively work from home up here. Here are a few extra tips. If you can't change it, don't stress it. There are many things in this world that we simply cannot change. If one of those is affecting you, try to forget about it. If it's out of your control, don't dwell on it, just move on. The second extra tip is don't wait until tomorrow to do what you can do today. If you continue putting things off for a later date, you'll never get it done. Knock things off of your to-do list today so they don't pile up. I hope this video has given you the proper motivation and insight on being a better business owner. If it did help you, please like and share this video. And if you have any other tips, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.